Hello. In this video we are going to talk about 5 types of non-toxic snakes. Non-toxic snakes inhabit a wide range of habitats across different regions. Some prefer forests, grasslands, or deserts, while others thrive in wetland areas, marshes, or near water sources. Understanding the natural habitat requirements of a non-toxic snake species is crucial for creating a suitable environment if you decide to keep one as a pet. There are several types of non-toxic snakes. Here are a few examples. King snake, Lampropeltis spp. King snakes come in various species, such as California kingsnake, eastern kingsnake, and Mexican black kingsnake. They are constrictors and feed on other snakes, including venomous ones. However, they pose no threat to humans. King snakes are constrictors, which means they subdue and kill their prey by coiling around them and squeezing. They have a broad diet that includes rodents, birds, eggs, lizards, and other snakes. Interestingly, some species of king snakes are known to feed on venomous snakes, making them valuable in controlling populations of venomous species in certain regions. Ball python, Python regius. Ball pythons are another common snake species kept as pets. They are non-venomous and have a gentle disposition, making them suitable for beginners. Garter snake, Thamnophis spp. Garter snakes are small to medium-sized snakes found in various regions. They are non-venomous and feed on amphibians, insects, and small fish. Rat snake, Elaphe spp. Rat snakes encompass a group of non-venomous constrictor snakes that include species like the black rat snake, gray rat snake, and Everglades rat snake. They subdue their prey by wrapping their bodies around them and squeezing until the prey is suffocated. Corn snake, Pantherophis guttatus. Corn snakes are popular pet snakes known for their docile nature and beautiful color patterns. They are constrictors and are harmless to humans. It's important to note that even non-venomous snakes can bite if they feel threatened or provoked, but their bites are not dangerous to humans in terms of venom. If you encounter a snake in the wild or consider keeping one as a pet, it's always wise to consult with experts to ensure proper identification and handling. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos.